first week of April, I say somebody ring my bell. I go check. Police people ring my bell. They can't tell me say they can't call me. As they call me, they call my name. I say yes. I say na me. They say me I sign one paper. I sign the paper. They say me I give them my documents. Now I give them my document. They collect my document from my hand. I say what did they happen? They say I put in for document. Now I say yes. I put in for adjournment for my baby. They say and they don't they wait since for my passport. They not see my passport. So for that reason, make I sign paper. They don't cancel my document. I say
with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. It's your sister, your friend, it's your girl. If this is your first time or you just did get post for YouTube or you did watch you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So my today's topic, I want try to today's story, now my story in short. I just want to tell you guys how I lose my permit to stay because of Nigeria passports. This story I bring and come so that people go learn, or probably make people not make the mistake when if you say I make, because you feel lose your documents if you don't know, especially people when they Italy when me they so I get documents. The documents when I get now, that one when be say they know they renew, and when I put in, so now I get my children gets, apart from the oyibo pepper wey dey for inside. So when I born the my little boy 2000, I born my little boy 2018. So that 2018, early 2018, my Nigeria passport don't almost they expire. Then immediately I born my baby finish, then my Nigeria passport they expire. So I supposed to renew because I newly born and the stress, I no fit undergo that stress at that time. So I know as a Nigeria embassy be for Rome, the stress not be here. I don't feel go renew before, so I not feel say I'll feel carry newborn baby, come undergo that stress. So I just see me I waste mommy my body strong small before I'll go put in for my passport. So when my baby does they grow after some months, I need to give my baby document for year. If you born, you need to give your pikin document. And the kind of documents when you get, now they give pikin. So when I put in for my pikin documents, I pay all the money that they pay because they say I need to do for the rest other children because their own they now when they baby now they give them, and their face still they baby when they some months, and these guys now big guys when you don't grow now they say no, how big guy like this go they carry this baby face for documents that they need to change their own again and put their real face now. I can say okay, it's okay. So we come before of us when we want put in for this documents. We they call am adjournment because we want give the small baby now that one never ever get at all. So we they call am adjournment to join the baby to our documents. Then I go post office as usual. I submit. Then I pay the money when they pay all the money because for of course you get the amount when we need to pay. We pay all the money, we buy my card Apollo. Then the day when they give me for my appointment to come to print and submit other documents was October 2018. October. So when we get there, the woman come ask me for my Nigeria passport. Even if the other children not get passport, they not really care because now yet they born there. But me when be say they not born for you, they need my passport to do this adjournment too. Then I can make the woman understand for home office say now my that is for Questoria. Say now my Nigeria passport don't expire, but I don't already put in. I get receipts when I take put in for internet. So she can't say they don't need that receipt. Now the real passport, now they need. As immediately they tell me say they don't need that receipt, I know say the team it go get as it be, go tear apart, because I know say before they go bring this my Nigeria passport go come out, it go take months. As immediately she tell me say they don't need the receipt, I can't tell her say okay, what we go do now be say I no want submit now, I want wait, because my mind come dey tell me say no submit, go until you don hold your Nigeria passport before you can submit. So I can't tell her say I no wan submit now, I wan wait till I get my Nigeria passport before I submit. He say no, because normally if you even reject me because I no get Nigeria passport, but she no reject me, she say no, say me I put in that when my Nigeria passport go come. And I say I no know, because after I put in for internet, I put in for September for internet, they tell me say na January now go complete for Rome. So na January, now she come tell me say okay, now we dey October, November, December, January. He say say go quick now, make I just put in. I can't dey say no, she can't dey insist. Cause say okay, I can't reluctantly say okay, no problem. So she can't do everything, then she can't give me one paper. Cause say if my passport already, make I bring the paper come with my passport before they'll process my document, that this document, that everything just hang with them there. That when I don't bring the Nigeria passport and that paper when she give me, now they'll fit continue with the document. I can't even say okay, if that is the case, no problem. So do everything finish, I come out. So January, first week of January, me and my children, if you see the stress, we go Rome, we do all the money we spend for that our passport is, if it's not even more than €1,000 when we spend, both the fee, the transport and everything. So after we finish for that to complete for Rome, even me I not just talk about the embassy, because not be even that part even carry me come. The way the embassy be, nothing to even write to me, no, I not even talk about that side. So after we finish, wetin make our money really, we spend more than €1,000, because they not quick finish. They come answer us in the evening, and before they still carry children go, then they quick answer them. That day was different, because when I first go 5 years before I go that last one, they attend to people when first get children, we quick come out. But that day I don't know if it really happen, they not even answer people when first get children. So now midnight to take come out for there, we got to lose our train, because now Aerostar will buy going and coming, and our coming was about 8 o'clock. Before they answer us, now that 8 o'clock they take answer us. So getting to train station for Rome, they say our ticket already waste, now no refundable ticket or money. So I got to buy another train ticket when me and my children can't reach our house, about many hours, you know. So when we come back, I can't wait, make the passport ready. By the January end, again one EPA when be say it really they help us there, the EPA really try. January end, I call EPA said never ready. February I call EPA say machine spoil. I say hey, how to look back? Now be say this passport matter, it go tell EPA hey, February machine spoil when we don't expect passport. I say well, since the woman tell me say they just hold everything until I bring my passport and that paper before they'll start to process everything. I say no need, now I can just wait. But they call to know whether they don't feel repair the machine and all that. January, February, March, April, they never see repair machine. That April, yes, no, April I call, they come say they don't repair the machine, and it take months before they feel repair that machine. When they repair machine for April, the guy wey dey help me dey check the passport, because they make me dey understand say we wey be say we do last, now we they do am turn by turn. People don already put in, don dey line before our own, so it must reach our turn before they'll process our passport even if say we don complete that make I wait. I come dey wait. So e just dey first week of April. I see say somebody ring my bell. I go check. Police people ring my bell. They come tell me say they come call me. As they call me, they call my name. I say yes. I say na me. They say me I sign one paper. I sign the paper. They say me I give them my documents. Now I give them my document. They collect my document from my hand. I say wetin dey happen? They say I put in for document. Now I say yes, I put in for adjournamento for my baby. They say and they don dey wait since for my passport. They not see my passport. So for that reason, make I sign paper. They don cancel my document. I say cancel my document? He say yes. Say because it too stay long. How can my country say that they renew my passport for how many months? Since when they come calculate, since when me take put in for the adjournamento or October, they come say from October, November, December, January, February, March, April, 7 months your country not give you your passport. For that reason, they don't know wetin they want talk. So they don't seize my document. They collect my document from me. They drop the paper. I sign. They come out. And inside the paper, when I read them, they say they don't revoke the document. I can't be like Idodo wey Sokoye. This one na 2019 April. I be like Idodo wey Sokoye. I say so person go fit your lose documents when you don't already get for years, just like this, because of Nigerian passports. My God, what to do? I just weak. I be like vegetable. I call my husband. I tell my husband, say, see wetin dey happen. My husband say, me I relax, make it come house. So as he come house, I can't explain to her. I say, see, already don't know everything. I say, police people just come now, see wetin they talk. Then my husband come say, okay. So what we go do now? Whether I don't call them for the brother with the airport, whether I don't call them, whether the passport don ready. Now say I don't call am. He say he never reach our turn. Say if we reach our turn, they go give us the passport. He never even reach our turn. Now say, hey, my husband, as we me and my husband just dey discuss, I hear say our bell ring again. The same police people come. As they come give me my old document wey they collect from my hands. They come tell me say if I not submit my Nigeria passport within 2 weeks, that everything now, that na 2 weeks now they give me, that they will cancel everything from computer, cancel everything, and not get documents again. I can't say, oh my God. I say, okay, thank you. They can't give me the document where they take from my hand back. They can't come out. They can't tell me say with this document where they give me, so you know say now that one when they not they renew. So they can't tell me say despite say it's still they valid for I now, but I know if you use and travel. Now what they tell me? They can't come out. So I can't say what I go do. Hey, me I want start my prayer points. I can't start to the pray say may God touch the heart of Nigeria embassy people so that my passport go come out. So I can't thank God after 1 week. Now 2 weeks they give me. After 1 week, now the brother call me say our passport don't come out. Say he don't collect them. Now say anyhow you want to fly this passport, come fly and come. If now me go even come enter train, come collect this passport, I'm ready to do. I say no, me I don't enter train. Say go post am. But I say posting if you can't lost for road, because I don't know if I want to do again short. Thank God he come post am with the fast posting. After 3 days he can't reach my hand. Now so I take room go their office. They say they're not they open for immigrants that day. That may I come the day when they open for immigrants. I said okay, I can't go the day when they open for immigrants. As I reach there, I meet the woman. I come meet a very nice and lovely woman. God was so faithful to me. As I reach there, that woman come tell me say they don't cancel my document. And I say, but the police people will come say 2 weeks. He say no, say that first time when they take bring my my this thing connect dey take cancel am say no be even that 2 weeks now say say maybe they just wan encourage me to come try na be the thing say they don already cancel am. I say what to do now? He say so he can't do. Later na the woman come talk say okay wetin you go do, make him try to call couple for Rome for document matter, make him hear wetin he go talk, because I come dey try to explain to the woman, I come even show am the way they take post am come say I just receive am 2 days now take come here. I say I even come here that day when I receive am, but they say they not dey open. He say he heard my story, say because they even talk am for inside office, say one lady rush come say he don't get the passport, then they tell am say today not be for immigrant. They tell me say me I come the next day, say hear my story. Now I come show am the envelope as they take bring am come, the date when they post am and all that. So he come got to call the oga for document matter for Rome, because all Italian document now Rome they from they come talk. As they talk, I dey pray for inside my mind. I dey pray, I say, God, the heart of a king is in your hands. Baba, touch that couple heart so that the heart go change for good for me. May favor follow my document, may favor follow me, my people. Me I want for start for go dey find lawyer. Now money I'll pay lawyer. Oh, go dey first I want to get documents again. Me I want for start for. So after they don't talk for a long time, you can't even they explain to the man, say see the date when they take post and come from Rome and all that. Last the woman drop the phone. Now I say waiting, I dey eager to hear waiting. Then the woman come try to tell me say everything dey okay, but the only problem is say I got to start from the beginning again, to post office, to pay all the money when I don't pay, to start afresh again. Now only the solution. If I say I no fit start afresh, na me come no. I say okay, no problem. I go start afresh. Say you even try to beg the man so that maybe you accept me like this, me I not start afresh. Say the man say they're supposed to cancel the document, but just because of say of the way she take explain, make I start afresh again. I say if I don't want, no problem. Wetin key money, not key head. It's very important. Now say if I go take lawyer now for my mind now they talk I know how much I will spend for lawyer. Now say well I will start afresh. You can say okay. Now so I can't take comot, I can't go back again. I can't pay all the money when I fair pay, because to do this adjournment so you pay 27 euro for each person, for me, my 3 children, then 27, then 30 euro when we take post time. Then market dabolo 16 euros. So now all this money now we can spend, but I not really dey bother for the money matter, but I just see dey happy say everything can see come out good. So after we do that, everything finish, I can't take appointment again for September, and that day was my birthday. So I can't go, they can't interpret us, they can't tell us, they'll tell us when our documents go ready. So the documents come ready, but because of the lockdown when it starts for February, now that February I supposed to collect them, so the lockdown can't disturb. Finally after the lockdown they can't call me, they can't say my documents done ready. I was so happy when I go there. Now the same documents when I get before, and they still give me, they not change anything, everything just come, they fine. What it make me they bring this story, they come be say now 2 things. Number 1, Nigeria embassy, please try to make these passports they available for us. One are not they stress us for this passport. One are try to work hard on especially that Roma embassy, because some states they or some country they will be say if you go to Nigeria passport that day they will give you, or 3 days they go give you, but that Rome it is very difficult. You know, go ever see that day. So I beg, if they feel work on that part, because many people don't. Even when I go there that day, I see one woman they cry say, because of Nigeria passport, they not give her documents. Because of Nigeria passport, the pikin not get documents. The children, 2 children, no doctor, because no document. Now documents that they give doctor. The woman they cry that day for Nigeria embassy. So if please, I dey beg Nigeria embassy, I no use force take corner, beg na dey beg. More na try, more na make these passports dey easy for us. More na no dey stress us. At least if we fit follow the right thing, wanna give us our passports. Una no dey let am dey tey, because person go put in for passport 6 months, e never get passport. Some people dey from this Italy, dey go Sweden, dey go different country, dey go dey do passport. Dey prefer because dem quick get their passport. But we just get embassy for Rome for here, people go still dey waka go far place go dey do passport. If Nigeria people, please, especially the embassy people, to try to work hard on this passport, make dey quick reach am, because many people don lose documents because of say passport. If not be God wey stand for me, I be don lose my documents wey I wan for start for. Then I come dey, maybe na my husband go for come give me document, go come dey process am, dey process am, dey process am. So na that one be the number one wey I wan talk about it. And number two, my people, especially my Italian people, you know say our passport no dey ready and you wan renew. Before you put in for renew, make sure say you don get your passport for hand o, because e dey affect. If person ever tell me say e dey affect like this, I for not believe. I for think say maybe na lie the person dey talk. If person ever tell me say without Nigeria passport you no go fit get document, I for not believe. Na this one now say no, say without Nigeria passport you cannot get document. So don't play with your Nigeria passport. Don't play with it. Forget say we be Nigeria, we dey say Nigeria and there be this, there be this. Without Nigeria passport you cannot get your documents, and they can seize your documents because of say you no get Nigeria passport. So if before you put in for your documents at all, make sure say you don already hold this thing, your passport, Nigeria passport for hand. I no know about other country, maybe other country no send. Like for this country they send, because they tell me say wetin make dem revoke my documents because of say if my own Nigeria people no fit give me their passport after 7 months of putting, wetin come be their own for inside say they seize their permit to stay. You see why they talk am. Na make me bring this video, and I hope this video go help somebody now or in future to be careful before you submit document. Make sure you get your Nigeria passport for hand, because they no dey use that water dey plant corn. They fit disappoint you and e fit go affect your documents. So now this one now I get to share with my experience with Nigeria passport. Even that day for Nigeria embassy, and terrible things happen. My children begin dey vomit everywhere. As e be 5 years when I take go, na e still be no changes at all. When things go begin dey change for that country, everywhere dirty, the toilet nothing to write home about. I can't even dey pray make my children no say they want poo, because they no go gree poo for that kind of place. No fit stay. If you see the way the place be, nothing to write home about. Please make them work hard towards that their toilet and that area. If you don't enter there, they can't use when you go find me abba more take things easy. So my people, now wetin I get to talk with this for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so you will know anytime I put video for you. This one I just talk my little experience about me and my Nigeria passport. I just say my talk my little experience. Now story now we dey talk for this channel. So stay tuned so that you go hear our story. Thank you so much. Please share this video. If you share this video, you are also helping somebody, because somebody fit go make the same mistake when be say I make. The person fit not get luck to get the document back, if you still get luck, but the stress to avoid it, the person go ready. Like me now, before I say me I put in for documents, any document again, say maybe I want come put in for document. If this thing not ready, I no go try myself again. I'm a pepper soup when I shop. I don't want to shop on 2 times. Thank you so much. See you on our next video. Please like this video. That thing I want to press like up for you, backward never for you. I want to do one video. I want to thank God for what God do for our life. God don't do miracle thing. Watch my next video. I want you to spot that take dance right now. Right now.
There is anything that is bothering you, my friend. Please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady you true.